Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We'll start up our 90 F-150 so you can take a listen to her. Got some good sounding exhaust on it. There you can see the gauges. Like I said in my earlier video, there you can see the rear anti-lock. Wiper to the left, blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Here's the fan. There's the stereo. Let's see which way to get that. Oh, there it's searching. Station right now, but you can see it works there. Horn works. Wipers work. Left power window. Right power window. Power locks work. And the dome light works. Got the 351 in it. Headlights. Rest are clicking on. You can see the new tires we put on it. Tail lights. License plate light. So I believe everything works on the truck, so it's just ready to go drive and have some fun with it. It goes down the road nice. So any questions? 605-695-7391.